I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and yesterday was Dolls Gone Goth Pirates. And there were a few things I didn't show that I'd like to show you today, including and not limited to these cute little swords and daggers that Darren made that this sexy girl is tucked in the front of her shirt. Ooh, be careful pulling that out. This is my mini Blythe Bosla. When I was a kid, there was a clown named Bozo the Clown. This is his granddaughter. Her face looks bad. Because of the way that Blythe faces are made, if you look at my eyebrows, they're not too bad. If you look at my freckles, they're not too bad. I like the little heart cheeks. I cannot tell you how many times I erased this one and redid it. And the lips for a clown are not bad. But when you put it all together with the face, the eyes, and the hair, because the face is so squished down on a Blythe doll, and her nose is between her eyes rather than further down, it looks rather, scary clown. But we do have the eyes that open and shut. I don't know if you can see it. I've got green fingernail polish on there with some nail art. I put her name on here, Bosla, that's her name. I found these little circus charms at Hobby Lobby, and I used the peanut for her because she's tiny. Her story is, and I didn't show her yesterday because of her face, she is a dwarf. She is a dwarf a pirate, and they were going to throw away their old flag, and she said, no, 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 and she made an outfit out of it. She has a little dagger, which is her sword, which is a charm that I had, and these bells, I don't know if you can hear them, actually ring. They are teeny. There's my fingernail and how tiny they are. These dolls, best described by Beth Ramsden as spaghetti limbs. I'm having a very good time sewing for them. I made these sleeves weird, thinking that you could still see the arms of the skeleton, but it didn't work out like I was thinking. Their arms don't go out to the side. But there she is, my little clown pirate. And I was going to tell you that on ships, any kind of ship, pirate ship or a merchant ship or Navy ship, any person that had a talent that could entertain them was highly valued, and they'd look out for one another. And anybody, her little outfit's not going to let this cute little stand that Darren made hold her. See her name on there? He has some balloons we'll be adding to that. I'll have to show you another time. Anyway, if you were on a ship and you had a talent that could entertain, you have to remember they didn't have cell phones or recorded music or anything like that. They had no movies. So if you had that talent, you were a highly regarded person. So her talent of entertaining with her clowning would have been a big deal. I also wanted to point out the daggers and swords that Darren made. I got such a kick out of him. Can you see hers tucked in her sash? And then she has a different one in her hand. This is the kind of stuff that Darren makes for me. He made that to fit one of the Blythe's hands, not hers, but one of the Blythe's hands. And he makes this kind of stuff for me when I'm working on these projects, and he leaves it sit on the counter, and I walk by and I find it, and it's just fun. It's a game we play. I did want to show you that I took Gothia's hair down. I also redid her eyebrows for the pirate video, but I wanted to show you how pretty she is. It was more wavy yesterday. It's really straightened out, but I thought, gosh, she looks like a gypsy standing there, doesn't she? I just love it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.